Welcome to Lexus of Edmonton, located off 111th Ave on 170th Street. Today we are looking at a 2018 Audi A4 in the color Monsoon Gray Metallic. Under the hood, this vehicle has a 2-liter turbo 4-cylinder engine producing 252 horsepower. You have your LED headlamps and 18-inch wheels. Heading into the vehicle, you have keyless entry and puddle lights projecting your Audi logo. You have 8-way powered front seats with black leather interior throughout. On your door panel, you have your memory seating, powered windows, locks, and side mirrors. Your steering wheel comes with your paddle shifters, your Bluetooth and audio controls and heated steering, and your controls for your multi-infotainment display. Your screen display in the middle is controlled by your rotary dial. You have your 3-zone climate controls, heated front seats, your drive select mode, parking sensors, and cup holders. And above, you have your controls for your sunroof. Heading into the back seat, you have your climate and heated seat controls in the middle. You also have storage space and cup holders. And in the rear trunk, you have plenty of space with cargo nets and your spare tire below. So come down to Lexus of Edmonton today, where we will find a vehicle best suited for you.